Very good morning, guys, and welcome to my channel Debug. And let's continue with the awesome tool Playwright. And in the last chapter, we have seen how successfully we are able to click on the new tab opened, and we captured the elements of the new tab. Okay, so if it is not clear, please let me know. And if I hope it is clear and you are able to run in a first go. And let's go now to see the other topics. Okay, so now let's see the index file. Okay, so we have covered till now this one we have covered, right? This much of the part we have covered till now. These much topics are left as well. And after that, once this is complete, we are going to see the API automation using the Playwright. This is such a nice tool that you can do the web automation API automation, and that at the end we'll try to make some framework in the Playwright using the page object model. Okay, and we'll see all the Allure reporting and all those things. Okay, even though we have the very fantastic report from the Playwright itself, but it's good to have multiple report if you would like to have to get some pie chart and all these things. So Allure report is also one of the very nice report. Okay, so let's go back to the index page and let's see what we have in this particular chapter. Traces is one of the important topic because when something is not working, then you need to analyze, do the debugging. We have also seen last time how we can do the debugging, and let's see. There's a traces. You have the logs, complete logs. Okay, Playwright create for us. So this tool is so awesome. Like lots of option they have given for the debugging. Okay, so all are very useful. You should know each and everything, so when it is required you can go and check. Okay, so before starting this, let's open our config file. So keep in mind in Playwright there are two files which are very important, package.json and the playwright.config.js. This one is the most important, and we'll also discuss the package.json in further further chapters. Okay, but let's go and check this one. This file is very important because everything is running from this particular thing. Okay, so we are giving the test directory and timeout and all these things. So right now what we are going to focus on here, traces. So we have multiple option. You can put on, always on, retain on failure, retain on first retry. So there are multiple. This is the web link. You can go and check here documents if you want to go into the details. Okay, so the ideal value is written on failure, right? Why unnecessary? We need to keep the logs if the test cases are passing because it's taking lots of space as well. Okay, so it's up to you. If you want to traces on, it's up to you. Okay, you can keep on. Otherwise, return on failures. This is what I will suggest you guys to keep to make this one. Okay, and if there is no issue of the space, then you can put it on, no problem. Okay, screenshot again only on failure. Okay, only on failure. Otherwise, I don't need to use the screenshot. Okay, nobody going to check the screenshot if your test cases are passing. And if you want, you can put it on. Okay, those are default web browser recommended by the Playwright WebKit. You can use. Okay, others option are like Firefox, Chromium, WebKit. You can use any one of them. Okay, this is the base URL. We will use this in the API whenever we'll go for the API automation things. We'll use there these kind of things. Okay, but right now it is written on failure. Uh, and these are the settings which I have done in the playwright.config. Now let's go back to here. Let's close. There is no, let me see there. Yeah, let's close them. Traces. Okay, we have discussed this thing. Traces.zip. Okay, let's run the test case and then only I can explain you guys. Without running the test cases I can't say. Let me copy the command. This is the command we are using. Come on. Okay, so here is the command. Let's copy the okay, let's write here e2 underscore traces. Okay, so this will be our command. Cool. So this is again the same test case. A radio button, we are going to select some football, black radio button. Okay, so these things we are going to select randomly, and to be checked. Okay, so what we are checking, black option dot click, and then football, we are going to click on the football, then we are just making sure that black option to be checked. Okay, so this should pass. Let's see, dot only. I hope you guys are enjoying and you are able to understand what I'm trying to teach you guys. I try my best to explain you guys each and everything. Okay, let's see. It's going to click here and there, black, football, and done. Okay, so this has been passed. You can click here directly, or you can copy and paste here as well to show the report. Let's see. So this is the report. Let's try to observe things. Okay, so you can see everything is working fine and there is no screenshot, nothing in that. Okay, so this is the ideal report. We don't need screenshot, means I know everything is passing. We don't need. But let's close our report, close everything, and now let's change this. Okay, mm, black option. Let's comment this out. So basically what I'm doing, I am not clicking on the black option and I am putting some expect like this is to be checked. So ideally it should fail, but let's see. I don't know. It should fail. Let's see. Come on. Okay, so this is what E2 traces. Again, the website is opened up. Okay, see, black is not clicked. Okay, we commented out that, and football has been clicked, and now I'm verifying like black option should be checked. So ideally it should fail. You can see it waited for 30 seconds because in the configuration we given a default timeout of I think we have given how much is this milliseconds, 10 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds of timeout we have given. Okay, so let's see. Yes, Playwright able to catch this expect is failing. Yes, it should fail. But now let's compare what we have seen just 2 minutes ago, the report and this report. Let's compare both of them. Okay, so this is the error part because test case are failing. This particular line has been failed. Yes, we know that. And see, screenshot are coming now. In the previous, I have shown you there is no report, right? Like only the test case, past test case is coming. This is the beauty of, handling those configuration. Okay, so now this time screenshot is coming and now you can go and analyze your test cases why it is failing. So now in the screenshot it is very clear that black has not been ticked and you are expecting it to be checked. So in 1 second you are able to find the issue without checking even the logs, right? We have not checked the logs, just by screenshot we are able to get the answer. But let's say this is a demo test cases and this is very very easy, but let's say you have a big website and you have very complex flows and you're not able to see by the screenshot. Okay, you're not able to guess it what exactly happening. Okay, maybe it's a API test cases, some kind of thing, so it will be useful in each and everywhere. Okay, so this is screenshot and this is the traces. Okay, let me click on the traces. This is what we are going to learn. So traces has been downloaded. Okay, you can click directly here as well. Okay, so there are two options. We have downloaded the traces. I will show you why I have downloaded. Okay, but I have clicked directly on the traces and this view has been opened up. Okay, so let's try to analyze why our test cases has been failed. See, every seconds you can see this is showing all the screenshot. This is first, second, the home page. Then we clicked here, and this is the final page. All the 6 pages you can see here one by one. See here. And also see, I will show you action before and after. Okay, so these are the things you can use as well. Let's say after hookup. No, we don't need hooks and all this thing as of now. This is the error. What you can see the error here. Okay, you can see your console here. Okay, all the different calls. So basically this is very detailed report. This is a screenshot, the last screenshot you can see here as well. Okay, let me, okay, this is not working. Fine, no problem. Let's see here. Okay, I'm not able to maximize them. No problem. So, but this is enough, right? We are able to understand lots of things, and they have something extra as well in traces, like errors. You can see all your consoles. Okay, so you never know from where you will get the idea. All the network calls, you can see what really happening at that point of time, because you know if the test cases are flaky or your environment is not up to the mark, so you never know. Some test cases get failed because of the your network is very slow, and so all those kind of things you can actually check here. This is amazing thing, right? So we don't have such kind of report in any of the tool, what I know. Okay, so this is so detailed report. You can actually see the network logs as well. Fine, so this is the beauty of traces. So now you can debug, check where are the issue, and you can find out and fix the issue. Okay, let me close the test cases. So these are the traces. Now you remember we have downloaded. So how to use the traces? There's another way. You need to go and open this particular website, traces.playwright.dev. Okay, this is a site given by the Playwright to get the same view. And let's select file. We need to upload the thing, download. These are the traces. Zip file we have downloaded just now. Let's open this up. See. So again, basically the same view has been opened up. So you have two options from the report, the existing report. You click on the traces, this view will comes up. Otherwise, if you are not able to see, let's say you have to send your zip file to some developers. Okay, if some test cases are not working, or you want to send to your colleagues, another automation guy, people, like why my test case is not working, they will say, oh, hey man, do one thing, download the zip file and send it to us. We will see on our laptop. Okay, so you can do simply you download your report and you send that zip file. Okay, on my laptop, I will just simply go to that particular website, traces.playwright.dev, and I will simply select file and I open your zip and see. You send me, suppose you send me the traces and see. So I will have each and everything in front of me, and I can also analyze what exactly happening on your system. So this is the beauty of traces.zip. Okay, so fantastic feature. What we have seen. Let me uncomment this. Okay, so now the test case will run. Okay, so this is one part of the topic. Let's go to another topic, which is like test runner. Okay, this is again another good feature, I would say. Okay, so how to run? So this is the command npx playwright.text test hyphen hyphen ui. Okay, it will open. Let read all of these things. Will open complete project and any test case can be run. Helpful in debugging. No need to use test.only. As of now, you have seen I am always writing test.only so that I will run only one test cases, right? I don't want to run hell thousands of test cases. I just want to run my test cases which I have written, right? That's why only is the best thing which you can use on daily basis. Okay, but let's see another thing. Let me run and then I will show you guys. Traces, right? Okay. Okay, I am not passing any class name here. Just remember. Okay, I am just passing. I am not passing at all anything. Okay, just hyphen hyphen UI. Let's see the magic of this feature. So Playwright is really well advanced. Ah, nice, awesome. Okay, this is not working. Awesome. How to run? Okay. Last time it was working, but this time something happened with my configurations. Not found. Okay, a complete log of this has been there. We can analyze the log, but fine. I will try to run, no problem, no problem. But I will tell you, you just try on your system. Okay, I hope it will run on your system at least. Uh, it will work, no problem. I think something I'm trying to do some experiment, and I think some setup has been changed. What you have to do, simply run this particular command on your system, npx playwright test hyphen hyphen ui. Okay, a nice window will comes up where you can see all your test cases, all all the test cases in this complete project will be visible there, and just by clicking one of them you can run the test cases basically. So you don't need to run the you don't need to run them via the command. Okay, so like right now it is not that much useful. I don't like much, but yes, it's good to know all this thing, right? You should know, like all the test cases will comes up and you can run them manually one by one by one. Okay, this is again a kind of debug category kind of features as well. Okay, but nonetheless we have the commands and we can utilize them as well. Okay, so as soon as this problem gets solved, I will let you know, guys, in one of the upcoming videos, and otherwise, it's okay. You can try from your side as well. Okay, so no major problem. So in the next chapter, we are going to check some advanced things like filter chaining. So what is filter chaining, and calendars and pop-up handling and iframe, hovering, all the advanced concepts of the UI. Yeah. Okay then, guys. See you. See you in the next chapter. Till that, have a good day. Enjoy your day.